What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. So today I'm going to show you how I made just around $2,000 in about 36 hours with Tesla calls. Now this is a really risky move, but options do pay off. And when you see a trend and you believe in a stock, go with your gut. As you can see right here, I made $700 and sold it the weekend after. Bought this one right here, September 14th for $2,800 and sold the next day for $5,300, about $1,200 profit. Then we bought back in this morning and we're already up around $700 from that one. Now, Tesla can be so volatile and it is a very risky play, so do options at your own risk and do not listen or follow my calls, as usually it'll lead in fails, because options move very quickly, and if you do not know what you are doing, paper trade first, learn first, because everybody that starts an options account usually blows it up. I did, a lot of my friends did, and then you end up quitting and you never get gains. If you don't have another long-term portfolio or just one in general, stop trading options and go make one. But right here I saw the trend of Tesla going up. The market was catching back up. Tech was flying, so I bought the option right here and just let it go. It is insane how fast Tesla grows, but it can be insane how fast Tesla also drops. So be very careful with option calls in general, especially if you don't have 25K and can't sell it right away because you have day trade limits. So right here, already 580, profit on this. But look how much this call was worth at one time. Now this call expires right after battery day. Now, I made that proposition because Tesla was almost at 500 before the stock split. So this break-even price is just a little above that. Now, look at how big this move was. This was almost worth $4,000, this call option today. Crazy. If you guys found any value or enjoyed the video today, please leave a like and subscribe. We're slowly gaining. Thank you so much for supporting, guys. Other than that, I'm out. Peace.